From the creators of Half-Life comes the follow-up to the world's #1 online action game. Counter-Strike Condition Zero.
Do not engage the enemy until we start our assault.
Span the globe. Defend freedom. New multiplayer maps. Bot support for offline play. Explosive single-player missions. Counter-Strike Condition Zero. Rated M for mature.